Hello guys, welcome to my channel. We are reading the book Why Not Me? A Feeling of Millions by Anubhav Agarwal. I already uploaded the 31 chapter of this book. Click on the I button and watch it. This is the second part of the 32nd chapter. So let's start. 15th October 2015. It was Zoya's test day. I was afraid that if I called her up to wish her all the best, she would end up fighting with me and cursing me even more. But still, I wanted to wish her and I did call her. Best of luck, Zoya. Thanks, she said in a really low voice. Are you well prepared for the test? Studied everything? The last made me feel that she did not want to talk to me. So I decided to end the conversation there. Okay, I think you should get back to your revision now. I said all the best once more. Let me know how your test was. After the conversation, I played a little music for her, left my phone and went back to get ready for college. Bhabhi had prepared a glass of milk for me. I drank it and left for college. The moment I reached college, I relaxed a bit. Even though physically I was in the college, but mentally I was with Zoya and wondering how her test was going. I spoke to Pavni about what happened that morning. I always shared everything with her. She tried comforting me. She has already told you that she will talk to you after she's done with her exams. So don't call her. I'm sure she will call you the moment her exams are done. I guess that is the 18th, right? So all you have to do is just wait for 3 or 4 days more and hope that everything goes back to being normal and she realizes that what has been happening. Now, how was I to explain to Pavni that considering the way Zoya had been talking to me the past few days, I didn't feel everything would go back to normal. I didn't think she would want to stay with me at all. God knows what would happen next. I spent the whole day at college, but the moment I went back home, the first thing I did was call Zoya. I wanted to know how her test went. Zoya, how was your test? Did you face any issues? This one was good. It wasn't that difficult, but I'm scared of anatomy. It's very difficult subject. It's alright, Zoya. I'm glad that today's test was good, and I am sure you have prepared well for the next ones. Yeah, alright. I have to study now. I will talk to you later. I understood that she did not want to talk to me anymore and wanted me to leave her unbothered. So that's what I did. Okay, you should get back to your studies now. I disconnected the call because I had no right to make her stop and talk to me. So this is the second part of the 32nd chapter. I will upload the next part soon. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like, then let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.